morning, everyone. I'm delighted to welcome you all to a fantastic day. Today, the shining stars of Grade 1A will be leading our assembly. Let us join our palms together for our morning prayer. The theme of today's assembly is the importance of play. I call upon Arihan to begin the presentation.
Good morning everyone. We the students of grade 1 are going to present today's assembly and the topic is importance of play. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Mishika going to share the thoughts about importance of play. Play is important for our developmental well-being. When we play, we forget our boundaries and our play becomes limitless. Thank you. Good morning everybody. I am Swikrit going to share my thoughts on importance of play. Play helps children to learn about the world and themselves. We love nothing better than play. It is only in play that we learn about our surroundings, ourselves, and the interests of our friends. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. I am Ashwika. The thought of the day is play is not a break from learning. It is a pathway to deep learning, creativity, and growth. Which means play helps us learn, be creative, and grow in important ways. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. I am David, going to share a few lines about importance of play. Play helps us to keep ourselves together and organized. Games like cricket or football that we play in our school teaches us patience and resilience. Thank you.